Good evening, Hamlin County. Please review the following information and contact Kellie Smith if you have any questions, and we will address those concerns in a future broadcast. Number 1, the Health Department has issued a statement concerning the cloth masks which were sent out last month by the state for distribution to the community. These are the black masks with the Tennessee emblem on them. For the time being, the Health Department has been asked to stop distribution of these masks until further notice. It has been reported that the cloth masks are coated with a substance called Silvador. Silvador is a substance commonly applied to fabrics to reduce odor causing bacterial growth. Only trace amounts of Silvador are applied to the fabric, and that amount will continually diminish with each wash. Until more data is made available about the application of Silvador to these masks, the Tennessee Department of Health has instructed local health departments to stop distribution. The Health Department is also reaching out to other agencies who have received these masks, and they are recommending that the masks not be distributed at this time. Many may ask the question if they should wear the mask they already have. The Health Department is leaving that decision up to individuals. However, if you are comfortable with wearing the mask, then do so. If you're not comfortable wearing the mask, the Health Department recommends finding something else that you're comfortable with and utilize that for a mask. The Health Department doesn't want to alarm individuals, but they want you to be aware of this new information. The basic messaging of protection remains the same. The Tennessee Health Department encourages wearing a cloth mask or some type of facial covering when in public to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Cloth face masks are not a substitute for social and physical distancing. Continue to keep 6 feet between yourself and others even when wearing a face mask. Number 2, the Health Department will continue to do COVID testing daily, but they have modified their times. The Health Department will conduct COVID testing during the mornings on Mondays and Wednesdays. They will conduct testing in the afternoons on Tuesdays and Thursdays. They will conduct testing all day on Fridays. The Health Department had to modify hours because the National Guard teams, which had been mobilized to help them with testing, have been reassigned and are no longer available to help. This change in testing is an effort to allow their nursing staff time to cover other health department programs as they transition back to 100% levels of all other services. The Health Department is still committed to serving our community by conducting COVID testing on these assigned days and times, but also want to make sure that other essential services are maintained within the Health Department. Number 3, the extended school program sponsored by the Hamlin County Board of Education will be providing childcare throughout the summer at Hillcrest Elementary School. The school district is in the process of hiring staff members and planning for the rest of the summer. We're asking all community members to register their children for this program by June the 5th if you have any interest in enrolling your child. Registration forms can be picked up at Hillcrest Elementary School or found on the school district's website. It is also important to note that the Department of Human Services is offering free child care for essential workers during the state of emergency throughout August 21st. Parents who wish to apply for this program should do so by June the 15th. Parents can apply at TN.gov or contact Stacy Gibson for additional information. It is extremely important to apply for the free child care by June the 15th if you are an essential worker. Don't miss this deadline if you need free child care. Number 4, the school district has started its summer feeding program this week at East High School. The Food Service Department will provide free meals to all children 18 years and younger. The Food Service Department will serve curbside meals from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, which will include both breakfast and lunch. Please pull around to the side of the building where the cafeteria is located for food pickup. Number 5, most of the county, city, and school playgrounds will reopen this week. However, it is important to note that it will be virtually impossible for governmental officials to disinfect the equipment after each use. All individuals will need to understand the potential risk associated with using the playground equipment and should take the necessary precautions when doing so. We certainly do appreciate your attention to this broadcast, and we wish you the best.